Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Blicksta.com. But before we get into the details, this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So link below in the description for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's do the review. So as you can see, I have it here on their website, the most secure trading platform in the world, which is what most scam websites say. It is very easy to put on here. And if you're wondering if this is actually legit, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated disappointing 2.9 out of 5 stars with a lot of 1-star reviews. So let's see some reviews here. This site is totally a scam, very intelligent scam. Scam totally, promoting customer service. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Fake 100 scam, government needs to take action. And a lot of 5-star reviews, which is a very brain dead comments right here. I don't know what's supposed to mean. They're just saying random things. It's a lie to ask you to deposit, blah blah blah. Complete scam site and a lot more. So please guys, do not use this scam website. There are a lot of scam websites like these that look exactly like this one. The difference being is that the URL and the name of the brand or the website is different. So they just use the same layout again and again. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.